Hello everyone, and then welcome to the continuation of our lesson on 3D printing. In our previous lesson, we learned about FDM, that's fused deposition modeling, as we see here. Okay, this. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the SLA, that's stereolithography. Now, this kind of printing or 3D printing process or technology makes use of a resin. Okay, that's a photosensitive liquid, which is poured into a tank, and then ultraviolet lights, basically that's a UV light, um, passes through or it cures the liquid, okay, the resin over time to form the um, object. Okay, so this resin is very photosensitive, and the lights passes through the liquid to actually help the 3D printer get the desired result. So there's an SLA printer, as you see here, and if you go here, you can see this how it works. So this is the tank where the liquid is being poured, or the resin is being poured, okay, and then you can see there's the final objects, and then these are something like stilts to or the supports for the objects. Okay, so if you watch this video, we should have some understanding of stereolithography, that's SLA. So there's a platform for which the object is would be formed, and then this the resin or the tank where we pour the liquid in. Okay, as you see the design, okay, and then that's the resin being poured in the tank. So over time you can see the lights going through it, then it's going to harden the liquid, and then over time you see it taking or the form of the objects taking shape. Then you can wash it in a resin alcohol. Okay. So I'm just going to skip it, and then let's see the kind of things that you can use. The interesting thing about this is compared to FDM is this one, the parts or the objects are actually smooth. Okay, they are smooth compared to that of FDM. Okay, so there's about SLA, and then thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.